Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add contacts to favorite in line. Now let us begin. They note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, we'll do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well, so that you guys might not face any issues. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to the profile of any one of your friends. Let's say I go to this friend's profile right here. Once you guys do that, this page will open up, and simply at the top right, you can see a star-like icon. Simply click on it right now. And guys, that is it. That's how we add any contact to favorites in line. Well, as you guys can see, the process is quite easy. Right here, as you guys can see, the contact has been added to favorites. Well guys, that is it. That's how we add any contact to favorites. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.